Let's have a look at how to fold raincoats properly and easily. So I have borrowed my grandmom's raincoat here, so thank you to her. So the first thing that we want to make sure that we do is actually button up all the buttons, all the zippers, so that they are closed. Next, I'm going to turn the raincoat here on its back. And all these garments with hoods, I like to start by folding the hood down first. So just fold it down nice and flat, make sure it's not wrinkled. Alright, so here's a little trick I like to do with all these garments with hoods. So if you take the arms and you fold them over to the other side, like this first, and then you fold them back down, like this, you kind of create a triangle here that fits perfectly when you fold over the hood so it doesn't get bulky. So we're going to do that on the other side here as well. Over and then down back like this. And from here, we have a few different options. I like to split the coat into 4 sections here from side to side, and I fold in 1/4 of the way first, and then we fold the other 1/4 in as well, so that they meet in the middle here. And now you can see it's pretty flat up here due to the shape of the arms. I want to show you a cool trick first, and then we'll have a look at the regular way to do it afterwards. So if you split the rain jacket into 3 parts here from top to bottom, and we start by folding up the bottom 1/3 of the way like this. Make sure it doesn't like slide apart. Some of these raincoats can be quite slippery. So what you want to do next there is lift up the very top layer of your jacket. And we're going to stuff the top inside here, like this. I like to do it like this because, like I said, these jackets can be quite slippery. So it just secures it a little bit inside here so that it doesn't fall apart once you lift it up. Alternatively, you could also fold it up regularly without this pocket fold in it. So my grandmom is not the tallest person in the world. So what I would generally do is just fold it in half and then fold it in half one more time. But what we're going to do instead here, since this raincoat is a little bit shorter, is just split it into 3 parts from top to bottom again. And we fold the bottom up first, like this, and then we fold the top over. So here you have the proper fold for raincoats. Like I said, if you have a little bit of a longer raincoat, what you could do is, instead of folding it in thirds here, we just split it in half, up like this, and then we split it in half and down like that. So that's day 2 of this rain pants, raincoat, rain jacket week. I'm gonna add video number 3 coming up here tomorrow. So if you want to learn all about rain jackets, rainwear in general, this is the time to subscribe, because there are gonna be videos every single day. All right, thanks for watching this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.